Your passions are speaking. Your hobbies are speaking. Heaven is speaking. You have been receiving signals your entire life, yet many people ignore them because they seem small, everyday, ordinary. Today changes that. Like this video if you're ready to discover the message behind your passions. Your hobbies are not accidents. God does not sprinkle joy randomly. Every passion has a purpose. Every interest has intention. The things you are drawn to are connected to the person you are becoming. Your hobby is not just something you do, it reflects how your spirit is wired. Real-life examples. Traveling. Your love for traveling is not just about seeing new places. It reveals your calling to expand perspective, to learn from the world, to guide others. Travel shapes your vision. Your purpose involves movement, growth, and exposure. Assisting the elderly. This is not just a helpful personality. This is compassion as a calling. You carry the gift of care. You bring dignity and love where others overlook. That is ministry. Shopping. Some people shop to escape. You shop with intention. You notice detail, beauty, quality. That means your purpose includes refinement, discernment, and stewardship. Sewing small items. You work with your hands. You piece things together. You create. This is symbolic of how God uses you to repair, restore, and fit things together in life. Gardening. Gardening requires patience, nurturing, and trust in growth you cannot yet see. This mirrors your spiritual purpose. You cultivate life in others. Comment below which hobby from your life is speaking to you right now. How to recognize God's signals. The signal is in what feels natural. The signal is in what makes you feel alive. The signal is in what keeps returning to your heart, year after year. When something keeps calling you, that is God. Reflection practice. Take a moment later today. Write down your top 3 hobbies. Then write how they make you feel. That feeling is direction. That feeling is assignment. The journey of self-discovery. Imagine feeling alive every day because you chose to embrace what truly brings you joy. This is not merely coincidence, it is a divine invitation to explore the depths of your calling. Your passions are the threads that weave the fabric of your life, guiding you toward fulfillment and purpose. Let's delve deeper into this journey of self-discovery together. Consider the moments when you feel most inspired. Perhaps it's the thrill of planning a trip, the satisfaction of helping someone in need, or the joy found in creating something beautiful. These experiences resonate with the truth about who you are meant to be. Let's take a closer look at how these interests manifest in our lives. For example, think about the exhilaration of learning a new recipe. It's not just about the food, it's about the creativity involved, the connection to your heritage, and the joy of sharing meals with loved ones. Now, let's reflect on the significance of each of these passions, how they reveal more than mere hobbies, they represent clues to our purpose. Each stitch of fabric in sewing holds a lesson, each seed planted in gardening symbolizes hope for transformative growth. It's crucial to acknowledge how these seemingly small talents interweave with our identity. Your passions are more than pursuits, they are a reflection of your authentic self, revealing the deep connections that link your activities to your divine purpose. As we continue this exploration, let's embrace the signals that have been quietly echoing in your heart. Traveling awakens your spirit and expands your horizons. Picture the excitement of receiving a postcard filled with stories and experiences, a world waiting to be discovered. This passion ignites curiosity and beckons you to immerse yourself in diverse cultures, making you a vessel of understanding. Assisting the elderly exemplifies a beautiful calling woven into the essence of who you are. Each act of kindness you extend offers comfort and companionship, echoing a spiritual duty to uplift those who may feel forgotten. This is more than just a personality trait. It is a profound ministry you engage in daily, enriching lives with your gift of compassion. Shopping, on the other hand, reveals a different aspect of your purpose. It's about more than the items you acquire, it's about the details you appreciate and the quality you seek. When you shop with intention, you embody a spirit of discernment and stewardship, reminding others to value beauty in every form. Now, let's explore another passion, sewing small items. Each time you thread a needle, you engage in an act of creation that mirrors how you stitch together the pieces of life. This artistic endeavor symbolizes your unique ability to repair brokenness, restoring hope and beauty where it was once missing. Gardening offers a serene, grounding experience. As you care for each plant, you cultivate not only life but also the faith that fuels your spirit's growth. Embracing your passions is essential for transformation, as every interest is a step toward living your truth. It's about recognizing the divine whispers within your everyday experiences. By doing so, you can nurture the seeds of purpose planted deep within you. Let this journey guide your path forward. Closing and encouragement. It is time to stop treating your joy like an accident. It is guidance. If you are ready for the final step, where we turn passion into practice, purpose into movement, make sure to subscribe and join me for part 3. Like, share, and subscribe. Someone you know needs this revelation.